Hi, thanks for watching this video from Double Spots in Huddersfield. So here we have our Audi Q3 S-Line. So this is on a 62 plate, it's finished in Daytonna grey. It's a car that we know very well. We've looked after it for I think about the last 7 years. It's a car we previously sold and we've just taken it back from the customer who's replaced it with exactly the same car, same colour, same wheels, but he's had to go for a automatic just due to him struggling to drive a manual anymore. So most of the time we get Q3s in, are normally owned by families and they've got car parking dents everywhere and scuffs and scrapes and sticky sweets everywhere. This has been a local mature owner and it's been his pride and joy. He's garaged it, he's looked after it. Very clean car. It's got really good service history, like we say. I know we've done the cambelt and waterpump, and it's also had a clutch and flywheel. We've got all the invoices and receipts and everything for it. Really nice spec on this one. So it's got the upgraded alloys, the privacy glass, it's got the parking sensors. All the spec will really be on the ad. This is just really to show you anything that the photos don't show. And obviously if there's anything we've missed or you want to see, then just give us a ring or drop us an email. So the interior is just as clean as the outside. So normally with the switches and that, when kids have had everything on, these are all normally really scratched and not in great condition. This one really is in nice condition. It's already been prepped by us, we've just done a service on it. It's just had a new thermostat as well. It's got sat nav with it. It's got Bluetooth, music stream, center armrest. And there we go. Any questions? If you'd like to arrange a test drive or a viewing, just drop us an email or give us a ring. Thanks for watching.